Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a little tip for you. 2008 Ford Econoline. If you want to remove the strut from the driver's side, you have to put a 22mm wrench. It's on top, but it's one of those flexible like this one. In this case I went on this side, I put it on, and on the outside I have a 21mm. So you're gonna have to spend some time doing this. Once you get it all the way out, you can remove the top nut, and on the bottom it's gonna have another nut on that side. Passenger side is way easier because you have more room in here. You put the wrench on this side, you have plenty of room. I don't know why in the other side you don't. And because it's easier in here, I don't need to do all that. I can just put it on and unscrew the nut on top. And for the rear, you have to put your wrench on top right there, put it on top from the side, the same thing on the other side. Remove the bottom nut and unscrew the whole shock by hand. For the rear ones, I believe this is 15, and on the bottom you have, I believe it's 19 and 17. Don't quote me on that, I don't remember, but you're supposed to have all the tools for this type of jobs. And this one, like I said, is 22 on the front ones. Okay, it's almost out. Now I just need to remove the nut on the bottom. The bottom one is 18. Once you remove the nut on the bottom, press down here on top so you can remove it. Because if you try to remove it from the bottom, it's not gonna go out. You have to press it out, remove it. For the new one, same thing. You have to compress the shock, and then first the washer, then this rubber bushing, and you have to do the same thing. You have to put it on, compress it from the bottom to go in, because if you try to put it like that, it's not gonna go in. First you have to compress the shock. Okay, I was able to compress the shock and put it on from top really fast. Now just have to slide the bottom one in and put the nut. Okay, now I just need to put the shock inside and put the nut. But to make it easy on the driver's side, you can go from here and put the little grommet and then the washer on top and put the nut, because on the other side you're not gonna have a space. So right here from the bottom, as you can see, I'm on the back side. Put your hand in there and you can reach to put everything on top of the strut. If you see there, probably you won't be able to see it, but everything is in place. I just need to get them tight. Bottom side is complete. I was able to push it, move it a little bit that way so I can just slide it in. Now you can grab a 15mm, put it on top, and start rotating the top part of the shock, and then you can just get it tight. $15mm. Top is tight, bottom is tight, shock in place.